In nature, few things are as beautiful as butterflies in a garden full of flowers. With their vibrant wings, they help plants by pollinating them. Today we'll discover the secrets of creating a butterfly paradise in your backyard. We'll explore the plants that attract these wonders and learn how to care for them. Join me as we transform our gardens into havens for butterflies. This plant is called Lantana, and it's perfect for attracting butterflies. With its vibrant colors, it's a true jewel in any garden. The sweet nectar of Lantana flowers is irresistible to butterflies. Lantana is easy to care for, perfect for any sunny spot. It doesn't need much maintenance, just a little water and lots of sun. With just a bit of attention, it can turn any space into a paradise of color and life. If Lantana is a celebration of colors, milkweed is a magnet for monarch butterflies. This plant, also called Asclepias, is the only thing monarch caterpillars eat. Monarchs lay their eggs on milkweed leaves. Once the eggs hatch, the milkweed becomes a vital food source. Planting milkweed helps monarchs survive. By providing a safe haven, you become part of their incredible life cycle. Cosmos, simple and strong beauty. These flowers are known for their delicate petals and vibrant colors ranging from pure white to deep crimson. They stand tall and proud, swaying gently in the breeze, adding a touch of elegance to any garden. Its blooms resemble daisies and bring joy to any garden. The sight of cosmos flowers in full bloom can uplift spirits and create a serene atmosphere. They are a favorite among gardeners for their cheerful appearance and ease of growth. Imagine a meadow alive with a gentle breeze and cosmos flowers dancing gracefully. Their movement in the wind is like a natural ballet, captivating anyone who takes a moment to watch. It's a scene that embodies peace and tranquility. It's easy to care for, and its seeds give rise to new plants every year. With minimal effort, you can enjoy a garden full of cosmos flowers season after season. They are resilient and can thrive in various soil conditions, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. Butterflies love cosmos because its flowers are perfect landing pads. The nectar-rich blooms attract a variety of butterflies, turning your garden into a lively and colorful haven. Watching these delicate creatures flutter around the cosmos is a delightful experience. If you want a low-maintenance plant that attracts butterflies, cosmos is perfect. They require little watering and can withstand drought, making them an ideal choice for busy gardeners. Plus, their long blooming season ensures your garden stays vibrant for months. Its charm lies in its simplicity and ability to attract these beautiful creatures. Cosmos flowers are a testament to the beauty of nature, offering both visual appeal and ecological benefits. Plant them in your garden and enjoy the endless beauty and life they bring. Lavender, fragrance and elegance. This beautiful plant is known for its striking purple flowers and its calming scent that has enchanted people for generations. Lavender has been appreciated for centuries for its scent and many uses. From ancient times it has been used in perfumes, oils, and even in cooking. Its versatility is truly remarkable. Picture yourself strolling through rows of lavender, their foliage releasing a soothing aroma. The gentle breeze carries the scent, creating a serene and peaceful environment that calms the mind and soul. Butterflies flutter around its flowers, drawn by the sweet aroma and nectar. Bees, too, are frequent visitors, making lavender a vital plant for supporting local ecosystems and promoting biodiversity. People also enjoy its beauty and its power to calm the senses. Whether in a garden or a field, lavender provides a visual and sensory delight that is hard to match. Its purple flowers smell amazing and help us feel at peace. The vibrant color and soothing scent make it a favorite in gardens and homes around the world. Lavender doesn't need much water and prefers dry soil. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners looking for low-maintenance plants that still offer beauty and fragrance. A sunny spot is perfect for lavender. It thrives in full sunlight, which helps it produce the best blooms and the most potent fragrance. If you plant lavender, you'll enjoy beauty and scent in your home. It can be grown in pots or directly in the ground, making it versatile for any garden space. Plus, lavender can be used in many homemade products. From sachets to essential oils and even culinary dishes, lavender adds a touch of elegance and a burst of fragrance to everyday life. Sage, a pop of color that enlivens any garden space. Sage is a plant that brings vibrant energy to any garden. Its leaves and flowers are not only visually appealing but also aromatic, adding a sensory delight to your outdoor space. Its flowers attract a wide variety of butterflies, creating a lively and dynamic environment. These butterflies are drawn to the nectar-rich blooms, making sage a favorite in pollinator gardens. With blossoms in bright shades, sage makes your garden look stunning. The colors range from deep purples to vibrant reds, ensuring there's a hue to match any garden palette. Butterflies love sage for its flowers and abundant nectar. This mutual relationship benefits both the plant and the pollinators, creating a thriving ecosystem. Sage needs sun, well-draining soil, and a bit of water. It's a resilient plant that can thrive in various conditions, making it a versatile choice for many gardeners. It's a fairly easy plant to care for, great for gardeners of all levels. Whether you're a novice or an expert, sage can be a rewarding addition to your garden. With just a little care, sage will reward you with plenty of flowers and butterflies. Its low-maintenance nature and high reward make it a beloved plant in many gardens. And that's the end of our journey through the world of butterfly-attracting plants. Imagine a garden full of life, with butterflies dancing among the flowers. Now it's your turn to create a butterfly garden. Plant Lantana, Milkweed, Cosmos, Lavender, Sage, or all of them. Embrace the joy of gardening and witness nature's artistry unfold before your eyes.